Help.
Hi, Bowden. We're camping. It's November 16th, 2011. We are camping at Diamond Lake. And Bowden is having fun with some branches and some sticks. You having fun, Bowden? What are we gonna do? Bike? Are we gonna go biking? Are you quiet now? Can you say biking? Biking. Cool.
Oh, thanks, man. Thanks, buddy. Careful for fire. There you go. Good job. Yeah, good thinking. Good job, buddy.